Okay.
Ayan, nakakiti si Remy.
Yehey! Yehey! Swim, Rohan! Ay! Honey, what's that short? Ay! Ay! Daddy, oh!
Video ka yan?
Yep.
Hindi naman ganun karamihan yung pwede na Monday, Tuesday, no?
Yeah.
Pilipid lang sila sa tubig.
Rohan. Oh, talagang travel, oh, swim. Uy, be careful, Rohan. Yan. Mamaya na lang uminit. Yan na lang, mamaya uminit. Sana wag mo na lumabas araw.